Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the recording and upload basics that actually matter. Record in 1080p or higher and choose 9/16 for shorts. This preserves detail. Once done, set a manual bitrate around 5.8 Mbps so compression doesn't blur edges. Make sure your camera isn't using heavy sharpening or noise reduction. Use a flat profile to retain raw detail. Also, lock exposure and white balance to prevent flicker. These first steps reduce software compression artifacts downstream. Next, you handle encoding with precision so uploads stay crisp. Export using H.264 or H.265 if you need smaller files, and pick high profile with level 4.2 to keep quality consistent. Once set, choose a target bitrate matching your recording. Don't undershoot, that adds blockiness. Make sure the GOP is short, about 1 to 2 seconds, which helps motion clarity on short clips. Also, export directly from the highest quality source to avoid generational loss through extra re-encodes. Finally, you complete the upload and verify quality in YouTube. Upload the original exported file without in-app edits. Trimming before upload reduces quality. Once uploaded, make sure playback is set to the highest resolution. Allow time for YouTube to finish processing higher quality variants. If the video still looks poor, re-export at a higher bitrate or switch codec. H.265 can help, and re-upload. A key troubleshooting tip: clear cache or view on another device to rule out local playback limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.